Here's a simple step-by-step guide to fix Google Chrome if it's loading slow. First, fully close Chrome and reopen it. Many temporary glitches clear immediately with a fresh restart. Next, open Chrome and tap the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Clear Browsing Data. Choose Cached Images and Files and Cookies, then tap Clear Data. This removes old temporary files that often slow Chrome down. Now go back to the three dots and select Extensions. Turn off or remove any extensions you don't need. Extensions running in the background are one of the main causes of slow browsing. Open a new tab and search Speed Test. Run a quick test to ensure your connection is stable. If your download speed is extremely low, Chrome may appear slow even if it's working normally. Go to Settings, System. Turn on Use Hardware Acceleration when available. This lets Chrome use your device's graphics power for smoother performance. Finally, go to Settings, About Chrome. Chrome will check for updates automatically. If an update appears, install it. Outdated versions often run slower. And that's it. These quick steps should fix slow loading issues on Chrome and speed up your browsing instantly.